we will study lines, line segments and rays today. A line or a straight line is a geometrical construction which shows a direction. A line has infinite length, no thickness and no endpoints. I have drawn a line here on the board. It has two arrowheads on the sides. I marked 2 points A and B near the arrowheads. Now the symbol for line is AB with two arrowheads on the small line above it. Now these arrowheads indicate that a line can be extended in both directions, that is towards A or towards B. A line can also be represented by a small letter. Here I have drawn the line M. I write it as line M. Line segment is a part of a line. Here I have a line MN. I choose 2 points M and N on the line. Now if I only look at this portion of the line, then M is one endpoint and N is another endpoint. I can write it as a symbol MN with a line over it. No arrowheads. This denotes a line segment and this is the symbol for a line segment. We can also write this line segment as NM. Similarly, we can also write this line AB as line BA. It makes no difference. So, a line segment has a definite length and it has two endpoints. Ray is also part of a line on one side of a point on the line. I choose a point M on the line L and I also mark a point N on the right hand side of the point N. Now this is starting from the point M and can be produced endlessly along N. So this is a ray starting at the endpoint M and being produced along the direction N. We write it as MN with a single arrow pointing towards N. Now here you have to pay attention. If I write ray NM, then it will be wrong, because towards N we can extend and M is an endpoint. So endpoint has to be written first and then will come the letter which is nearer to the arrowhead, showing the direction in which it can be extended. So a ray has no definite length and it can be extended along only one direction and it has only one endpoint. It starts from the endpoint. I have a line here, L. M is a point on the line and it can be extended along the direction N. Now MN I say is a ray MN. In the same way, MP is a ray starting from the point M and can be extended along the direction P. Now the starting point of both these rays, MN and MP, is M. And since they are part of the same line L, we can say that the two rays MN and MP are opposite rays. Now incidence properties. We can draw a large number of lines passing through a point in a plane. This is the first incidence property. And each line that we draw will have a different direction. Like this, I can draw only one line in this direction. Then I draw another line in this direction. I draw another line in this direction. All the lines are passing through the point O. So I say infinite number of lines can be drawn through a point in a plane. Now in the same figure, if O is the starting point of rays, then I have infinite rays starting from the point O from a point in a plane. Now let's come to the second incidence properties. Now I have two distinct points on the blackboard, A and B. Now through A, I have a large number of lines passing through it, and through B also I have a large number of lines passing through it. But a line which passes through both A and B is one and only one. So we say that one and only one line can pass through two distinct points in a plane. And that line is line AB, or I can write line BA. Now, if I start from point A, so I have one end point, that is point A, and the line is being extended in the direction of B. So AB is a ray because it is starting from A and being extended towards B. So we say that only one ray starts from point A and passes through the given point B, and this is ray AB. Let me here explain to you that if I take the endpoint as B, then the ray is starting from B and can be extended along the direction A, right? So this will be another ray and we call it as BA. Let us now revise by doing a few questions. Out of lines, line segments and rays, which has no endpoints? A line has no endpoints. It has infinite length. Which has a definite length? A line segment has a definite length. Which has two endpoints? A line segment has two endpoints. Which starts from a point and can be extended along only one direction. A ray can start from one point and can go infinitely along the other direction. What is the first incidence property? A large number of lines can pass through a point O in a plane, and an unlimited number of rays can be drawn with an endpoint at O. Second incidence property, one and only one line can pass through two distinct points in a plane AB. Only one ray starts from point A and passes through a given point B, and that is ray AB. Thank you. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, share it and subscribe to the channel.